How to download and install a Runway ML application on your Android tablet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. You can easily download the Runway ML app on your Android tablet. So in order to do that, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for Runway ML. Just type down Runway ML in the search bar and search. Now from the search results, look for this application from Runway AI Inc. and then tap on Install to begin the download process. Once the application is installed, tap on Open and you have successfully downloaded and installed the Runway ML application on your Android tablet. Now you can go ahead and sign up for a new account if you don't have one, or log into your existing account by entering the login credentials. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.